With Oracle Analytics, you can use data actions to help you create contextualized navigation links from visualizations. You configure data actions in author mode. From the Workbook toolbar, launch the Workbook menu and select Data Actions. In Data Actions, click Create Action. Name the data action as Nav to Target. From the Type drop-down, select Analytics Link. The Analytics Link data action type enables users to move around in this workbook or other workbooks within the web catalog. The Anchor To field anchors data to a named column so that the action applies to visualizations using that column. In this case, leave the field blank so that the action appears in all visualizations in the workbook. The navigation target can be a canvas in this workbook or in another workbook. The data action needs to enable navigation to canvases in this workbook, so accept Target this workbook as the default value. You want Canvas 2 to be the target for this data action, so from Canvas Link, select Canvas 2. When Pass Values is set to all, you want the entire context of the selected action click to be passed along as filters, so accept all as the default value. By default, the Supports Multiple Selection option is on. This means the data action is invoked when one or multiple data points are selected. Keep this as is. The Open and drop-down gives you several options for how to display the data action. Accept Auto as the default to open the data action in a new tab. Click OK. In Canvas 1, in the Sales by Product category and Customer Segment visualization, right-click the sales amount for the Furniture Sales product category and Home Office customer segment, and select the Nav to Target data action menu option that you just created. This action navigates to Canvas 2 and displays the entire context of the click cell passed to the filters, because Pass Values was set to all when you created the Canvas navigation action. Canvas 2 displays filtered values from Canvas 1 Furniture Sales for Home Office in a new tab, even though Home Office isn't part of the visualization. Click Undo Last Edit to undo the change and navigate back to Canvas 1. In Canvas 1, the Sales by Product category and Profit visualization only has Product category to pass as a filter to Canvas 2. Right-click the Furniture bar in the visualization and select Nav to Target to pass Furniture as the filter. Canvas 2 displays values only for Furniture Sales. Click Undo Last Edit, which takes you back to Canvas 1. Next, modify the data action, but this time specify to anchor the data to Product category. In Canvas 1, launch the Workbook menu and select Data Actions. Click Select Data, the light gray field, and pick the Product category attribute so that the Action Link menu option displays only in visualizations where Product category is part of the context. You want the data action to display in a pop-up window over the canvas, so from Open In, select Pop-up and click OK. The lower two visualizations don't display the Nav to Target Action Link menu option because their context does not include Product category. But the upper two visualizations do display the Nav to Target Action Link menu option because their context includes Product category. Add a second column to the anchor configuration. Launch the Workbook menu to modify the data action. Click Add Data and select the Customer Segment attribute. Click OK. In Canvas 1, the Nav to Target menu option is only enabled for the Sales by Product category and Customer Segment visualization. Click Nav to Target. In Canvas 2, the filters change based on the Product category and Customer Segment. Finally, add a second data action to navigate to a URL, passing context with the URL. In Canvas 1, launch the Workbook menu one final time to modify the data actions. Click Create Action. Name the data action as Nav to URL, and accept the default action type URL navigation. You can enter your own HTML code to pass contextual parameters. For example, you can create a data action to pass Product category to a URL and display the result on a target web page, such as Google search results. In syntax, enter the URL. Click Column, and from the drop-down, select the Product category attribute. From Open In, select New Tab to open the data action in a new tab and click OK. In Canvas 1, right-click the value for Technology for Consumer Sales and select Nav to URL. The data action uses the selected value and it passes the technology product category to the specified Google search page URL, where the result of the search is displayed. Now you know how to use data actions to help you create contextualized navigation links in Oracle Analytics. Check us out at docs.oracle.com.